Okay, now that we have downloaded the Node for Max PostNet folder from GitHub, we can unzip it, and you can see here we have a bunch of files inside that folder. The one we want to look for is the main.maxpat, and when you open this, just right-click it, go to the open with, and make sure you open it with your latest version of Max 8, just in case you had Max 7 or something like that previously installed. It won't work on Max 7, it has to be Max 8. And we'll wait for that to spin up. And here we go. So this is it. The first thing we need to do is click this button, and what that's going to do is install from the web a few dependencies that we need for this patch to run correctly. So you need to make sure you're still connected to the internet for this to work. So click that button. It's an automated process, and we just have to wait for this message box to say complete. It might take a minute or so, and if you wanted to check on its progress, you could go back to your Finder, and you'll see now that inside the PostNet master folder, there's a new folder here that's been created called Node Modules, and that's where the patch has downloaded a bunch of different dependencies from the web. That seems to be done. You can see it says completed here, and then all that's left to do is press this toggle. That'll launch the Electron package, and there we go. Cool, so all that's left to do now is get these values that are coming in via our PostNet model and do stuff with them. Notice also that the numbers seem to stop flowing, or the values stop flowing when you don't have the PostNet Electron app kind of like on top. So make sure that even if you don't need to see it, you just have it on top for the most part of the other windows to allow it to keep those values flowing. Cool. See you in the next video.